Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So starting off on the daily, we did get down to this level here, which was 27,199 or 27,200, and we closed above it, but we did dabble down a little bit further, and I just want to see if we can pick that up. You can see there's my inside fractal there, and that's pretty much where we ended up. So just these inside fractals are very, very important. You can see how well they're respected, and especially on the higher time frames. So if you don't have that indicator with your chart pattern, then I suggest you find something that can actually put them in, even if you manually put them in. Okay, so moving on to the 3 hour, you can see big move down, consolidation, big move up, testing underside, and now we sort of going sideways. So overall the trend is still down, but you can see how we are moving, we're deviating more than moving from the moving average. So in other words, we're moving, price is moving very far from the moving average, and this moving average is pretty much, it's a 33 EMA, and you can see how price likes to come back to it and stay pretty close to it all the time. The minute you're moving away from it this far, I'm very reluctant to be shorting. I'd be more comfortable shorting up here at 27,664, but at the moment I'm looking for opportunities to be long back into this area of 27,664. Okay, so if we just come down to the hour, you can see basically 4 hours here of indecision on a major level. Always a great indication that something's about to happen, and you would have been forgiven thinking that was a flag forming for another move to the downside. I didn't trade this yesterday. I traded the S&P. I grabbed some of the moves to the upside on the S&P, but nevertheless, this is exactly the same scenario. You've got a nice, decent move up into resistance, and now we're bouncing around at the moment. So obviously, levels to watch are still these two areas here, 27,200 and 26,783. Okay, and yeah, so that I'm looking for opportunities to buy into this. And all I'm going to do is just add another level here, because that's a fairly decent inside fractal there, 27,074, and then the other area which would offer some interest would be this zone of selling that happened here all the way down at 26,898. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm looking for at the moment, and this will be the last video for a number of days as I'm taking a bit of time off, and we'll probably see you next Wednesday, actually. Yeah, so we'll be back. We're back online next Wednesday. I will try and either use Telegram or the YouTube comment session, or not comment session, but the YouTube chat session, if I see anything else. But there won't be any videos coming out for the next couple of days. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we will catch you later. Cheers for now.